back to my channel, and today I am going to do, but before I start, make sure you subscribe. But today I am going to do a get ready with me video, and this video is gonna be two videos mixed together. It's gonna be a get ready with me video slash how I edit my pictures, because I am getting ready to take some pictures outside. So yeah, and I'm going to show you guys how I edit my pictures, and so let's get into it. So yeah. So this is even when I put the light down, it still look like this. Okay, so this is the final look, and I will be back when I'm editing my when I'm editing my pictures. So I'll show you guys how the pictures came out. They better come out good, because if not, I'm probably not even gonna post them, but I'll just show you guys how I did my pictures and stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, I'm back, and this is the second part of the video where I'm gonna show you guys how I edit my pictures. So let's go. So first I use Photoshop Fix, We're going to do this. First, I use it and then I smooth the face and the hair too. Oh, this one here a little bit. So, and this is how it came out. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to save it. Then, so after that, I come on Facetune. You guys can record it. And then I go where I say retouch. And I will move the pimples that I have on my face. Okay, now it looks a little better. And then after that, do this. Then we'll go back to the retouch again. Then we use the glow. So, hey, how? And we zoom it in, and we do it on my face. And down here too. We have to make sure we get it everywhere on my body. Then we can bring it down if I want to. Let's see. That's how it was. So basically that's how it was before. And yeah, that's how it was before. If I put it maybe right here. Let's see. Yeah, we can keep it on 66. And then we'll do this. And then after that, we can go to light, brightness. And then bring it up. Bring it down. I think I'm gonna keep it right here. And then this. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna keep this one right here. And for the color, the color I can see right here. And then I save it. So basically this is all I do. Okay guys, so this is all for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next video. But please, before you leave, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, okay? Please, I'm begging you, make sure you subscribe. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.